Hello Raphael, hello everyone. My name is Pawel, I come from Poland. I have been watching the markets 2 years. I find you on Instagram and buy course. I'm really happy. I show you my game, I show you my story. This is my office. Let's go. So after completing the course, I won't say that the course is very clear, understandable. Personally, I recommend it to everyone. Every day my trading is better. I feel good. I'm very happy. My bigger problem is I want everything fast. I want everything fast. Solution, I think, sticking to the rules. And that's it. Motivation, stop working hard. Help family, travels, to be free. My goal is $1 million.